big up on yourself and welcome yet again. First time over here, my name is Akin. So this video is a little bit different. Well, not really different. I don't know how I think comes down when I do the videos. But this morning we're going to check out the cost of living in Jamaica. So we are going to the supermarket, pick up some things. Richard Brown there, Alton Garden there, same way. Yeah, so in the morning before we go film, before we start filming, because you know say our lockdown every week now and today.
Yeah, Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday, so the lockdown will start today, so before we lockdown we have to get some food stuff. So I thought I would take this opportunity to make a video and share with you guys the cost of living, how much it really costs for get some food in your house where probably last for the weekend.
Morning.
Where this morning?
Alright, so this morning we are head down. It is going to be a lockdown, but not at the lockdown like we used to. This one is going to be a little bit more mild.
So hold on, we got a supermarket first, huh?
Yeah, we all grab some stuff. We don't have no whole heap of money, so but we have grab little food so we can balance out for like a weekend.
Yeah, so I say another video I would have just show them the amount of money we have to spend to get little things together for, you know, last a few weekend.
Yeah. Right now, me have one little $10,000 me have fret because I feel like you're not going enough. Because curious don't say you have two big chicken already. But we need some flour, we need some egg. You know, just some little things because we are going to have females over where we take part. So, you know, them now can tough it out like we now can just say, be a flour feed and ready.
Yeah.
Look something more mild. You know, so we have to cater for them too, so that I go on feed you.
So you ready now?
Yeah, I drive out now.
So you check video editor first, mega?
Yeah.
Alright, so, yep, but before we get into that, you don't know, visuals.
Alright, yeah man. Confused now, really, I miss that certain things are confused. Alright.
So, in the meantime, while we're going wait for the editor, I'm going to see them 11 things here. Are these 11 things about man in school? Let me say 11 things if I go man in school more than know. So, I'm going to check it out. So, first one on the list is love in action. Yes, if you went to man in school, I definitely know love in action. It's this place where, I'm mostly six farmers, Mr. there anyways. Like when I was there, oh, so I can't see where the knives are coming from. So, I think around that's a name, I'm not certain which part around that's a name. So, yeah guys, love in action. If you went to man in school, I definitely know love in action. Library building was a historical landmark and also known to go da. Number 3, the singing of the school song was soft until the very last line when everyone would then shout, "And we remember we are out there man in school." Yeah, you would know that. Who could forget the infamous late line? Definitely not. Definitely remember that. 5th. Oh, you reach? Alright, I'm gonna do some deliberation. Look like them ready. So, the most popular icon at the school was the vice principal, Mr. Coot, who seemed to be at the school for eons. Yes, Pierhead. Loop News. Him not really like when you call him Pierhead. Yeah, but that man I look like him there at the school from the foundation. They go. True. This kind of nice from my brain. When it comes down to watching competitive games such as football, the sixth form students always got the best view. Not really. Manning student current pass are always correcting persons and defending correct, blah blah blah. Yes, yeah, school or yeah. Nice. KFC aroma. I remember that the magic all-purpose yellow pill given to you. Oh, I never went to the nurse all my years, so I don't know about that the part. Editor read, so go time, supermarket time, people. Brown that telling her earlier. We don't have much money, so China we I go. Mask. Put on my mask, huh? So what's that one list?
10,000
You can't list 10,000. I don't think I see one of the economy minister them.
something in the exam paper.
Hold on, now we friend this up.
Yes.
We need to friend this one for an ample.
But you come with them in the morning.
We are trying to stretch $10,000. So, treat this up.
You treat this can last for weekend?
No, brother. Treat this up.
4 months can last for weekend, bro.
Alright, 4 months can last. Who you call me?
You want to send me the
Want to find out how much money, how much you can get with 10,000?
Serve for weekend.
Serve for weekend? What are you looking for?
One flour,
No.
and little rice, and saltfish.
When I am set up. Good breeze.
Oh, for your company?
Yes.
There's nothing buy little pop. Buy some seasonal.
I don't want 6 pounds of flour.
Yeah.
6 pounds of rice.
No, you don't need 4 pound rice.
4 pounds. That's it, I want meat.
Yo, carry fob in here, yeah? Carry fob, the starfish.
You don't know last cup in honey?
Leave nothing glass cup. You want a big glass cup with you, curious.
Vanilla. Anything else? What's in another section there?
We're going to have Lasco, meat seasonings, soap.
Wheat flour?
Yeah, wheat flour. And this is how much? Does that look like around 4 pounds, okay?
Yeah.
I think this is good enough. Oh, 4 pounds of rice.
Mano, video don't get place.
What do you think between and soldier pants?
Yeah. And I tell him everything.
I forgot the salvage one.
What's that for, huh?
Good. So far we have, how much is 4 pounds, 5 pounds of flour? 6 pounds of flour. How much pound of rice is?
1 parcel and 2 pounds.
2?
Yeah, 1 parcel is
6 pounds of flour. How much is rice?
1 parcel is 2 pounds. So it's 4 pounds of flour.
You love that, what by light salt.
Sugar. Lasco.
Good brand.
What money you think done already? Oh, on the club.
Right now, I think that's around 3,000.
3,000? 10 grand ago and good one.
Alright, they must have, they want a few fish. Let's get 5 mass $100. And they must want to smoke down it.
Yo, the security see me out like guys down here. Whatever, everything. How much all on this?
I wouldn't mind, so that one I feel for us or anything?
How much in a well pack? We have added to the trolley now.
3 eggs.
Giant bread, oil,
You know say woman them want to cook like rice and peas tomorrow.
Saltfish. The woman them want to cook. Which woman them?
You want to pick up little peas and some coconut milk.
Them all vex and you go see a tree enough to pick them there for. Sorry. Yo, just take up 2 different brands, probably
No,
Kellogg's
man,
and...
one brand you take up. What people use on the yard? What people use on the yard? What people drink? Yeah, man, you know, the last car is our sunshine. I don't want to use the sweet in the something with normal. Cornflakes. Which one? Done?
That's it.
When I need to do that, this little. I'll tell alone I'll drink this.
So I'm going one day. Sunshine. I'm going one day.
I have friends, I have children.
But you don't feel a different than someone else.
Them a try one kind of impossible task. Them a try to figure out which one I can't flex the woman them a go like. I'm not joining, I know that now.
It's a losing battle right now. We're not going to get it right even if we try and do a whole day.
What do you mean? Oats.
Sorry.
Hold on. Yo, I'm calling him. He was not drink all of them. And then we hear that he come to food that I have. And then I could say, you know,
So curious, bigger up she save it today. We never know which, we never know which.
What's the name pack and see me, don't you?
Yeah, what?
Really?
Then in here, son.
So how you know say first got what's curious like?
Then I'm in here, but I must know that.
Okay.
But they have none where look where sort of like the box here.
So hold on, them money done now when I get season and something. Twin. Yo,
Smaller one.
what are you scale and so that's what I about there?
Yeah, that me need right now. Me start first.
Yeah, sweat.
Oh, yeah. I bet you make some man rich. Benjamin Simmer.
So, we are about finished with the supermarket part and mini mart thing. We'll see how much $10,000 can I get, you know? Cost of living in Jamaica. Curious to tell us, cook it.
That is I really look the truth.
How much people coming
Like
out
two
by
whole
today?
whole
Thousands of people are coming out today. Feel lockdown. And you spend $10,000 by yourself. Blouse and skirt. You know what money I'm searching
Yo, you know,
during
so I go
lockdown?
put back some sitting. Now you want go on a little bleach. You think I'm bleach on me, that's true?
We can't care to one of my friends over there, so it's very reasonable.
Me not do shop like a woman now.
Hello.
One place and it's done.
Hello.
Come.
That's why you tell you, man can't spend money.
That's why money can't serve, you know?
One place and it's done. You know, I walk up and take more than that.
Yo, what is happening with that? 1 second.
Alright.
I'm asking, make me a shot, you know?
So you
Not the
have
wood.
the bleach right
Not the
there,
wood,
so-
the mark. I can't breathe properly, so that's why I'm
Come,
asking.
you don't have to put nothing more. Come on. If I nothing with us, curate when you go up this and take out some sitting outside. Come.
You don't have to take on that, say it's like a stretch.
My money done. This money I done long time.
I'm gonna get no onion and this sitting there. Go figure apart the old.
Change your life. Change your life to buy onion.
You feel so?
What's wrong with you? It's hard.
What's up? You want to tell me that this give me $10,000?
Yes, I'm gonna put bread on the arm. That's how you go. Put the bread on it. Where is the bread not go on the arm?
I don't want to put the bread on your arm.
No. The bread not go on the arm. So me think me here.
Yeah, guys, I'm still coming on. Coming along with something.
Alright, just run. Anyway, you done. Just can't wait. Can't send me. Excuse Take away sugar. Yeah man, so a bill come out, how much bill come out to 7, yeah, almost 8,000.
8,000.
8,000, almost 8,500. You know bad. Not bad when they expect say 5,000 I don't know we don't get everything when I said to get, but you know bad. You know bad. So this is the sacrifice. This is the sacrifice that we have to make for YouTube. We have to make sure so we have food, you know. So when we get in some little donation, then part I go towards this how we are doing. You see me?
Mask off. Mask off.
So, hit that. Nigger time, lockdown time.
We're going to tap around place and buy some onion and this.
Oh, we're going to buy some, we have some onion and sit to buy. So, yeah. 8,000 odd, Mr. Brown satisfied with that, but me
No,
still
really,
think,
me not really
me still
satisfied.
think enough money that for just buy a while ago. Swear.
No, I'm not really satisfied because I whole heap of things me have to skip out now that I'm not buying. Just have to just try to buy the things that I really need the most and just left out what it was sitting. And I mean, if you do a shop to one house, you know, say that.
It not gonna work.
That couldn't work.
That wouldn't work. Because
Because
them way you buy with, because we already have some things there, don't you?
well, kind of.
Well then again, that's just for your weekend. Saturday.
You're right, well, you're right. That's a free weekend. That's why I mean, I understand when the government give people $10,000 and I say that we serve. That, oh, and if opposition say, oh, that, no, which one never buy wrong position?
Ready?
Alright, so we are Nick Grill. We stop and we try to get some ground provision because we can't get supermarket food alone. We get some ground provision. Just spend a little change and get some of them or something to add to pretty up the pot. You see me? So we are going in and we'll chef up some food and start the some work. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now my mood just get mashed up. What's that? Now look here. Responding to nonsense.
Yeah man, so you need back some money.